So here we have the morning post. I've just made this. A very good photographer friend of mine took this photo in London and we are using it here. Don't forget you can check us out at the ukrecoveryproject.co.uk, and if you want to send us an email, go ahead. That's the ukrecoveryproject@hotmail.com. If you're writing a lemon letter, don't forget to address it in the subject section as lemon letter to Lady Loyal. Okay, and that's all for now, and I will see you later for the evening post. Thanks guys, have a great day.